What's good on my stock market homies? Let's talk about some meme stocks. In today's video, we're going to be talking about the top Reddit, Wall Street bet, and meme stocks that have the potential to squeeze and make a huge move higher over the next couple of weeks. Over the last several months, we have seen the ability of social media, Wall Street bets, and Reddit to influence the price action in meme stocks. So as traders, we gotta pay attention to it. Social sentiment impacts the stock market in today's environment. So today we're gonna be looking at some of the top stocks that are getting chatter on the Reddit forums. We'll break them down from a trade perspective. Are they going to squeeze? And we're also going to look at them from a longer term investment perspective. Before we get started, do me a big favor, destroy that like button. The like button has been talking crap. It's not our friend. It stabs us in the back, and we must destroy that like button. So take 1 second out of your day, blow off your finger, and jab that like button right in the eye. All right, let's jump into the charts and talk about the top 3 meme stocks right now. Stock number 1 that I want to break down is AMC. AMC is one that we've talked about several times on the channel. It had this huge run up from the $2 area all the way up to $20 during the GameStop frenzy. However, it's since pulled back and is currently trading at around $10 per share. But as Wall Street bets traders ran AMC stock up, short sellers piled in and they are underwater. And when that happens, it sets up the potential for a short squeeze. So as long as AMC hangs around the $7 to $10 range, these short sellers are going to be peeing in their pants, and I absolutely think there is a short squeeze potential in AMC stock. So this is setting up for a swing trade that I will be keeping my eyes on. You do have a defined risk at 850, and then you'd be looking for that short squeeze higher in a retest of those highs, which would be a gigantic move. But a stock like AMC, once it gets going, it's hard to stop because the short sellers start covering. There's an influx of buyers. So once it gets a little upward momentum, this thing can really take off. I like AMC from a swing trade. Let's talk about AMC stock as a longer term investment for a second. So the movie theater industry, we all know it's been absolutely decimated, not only because of Rona, but just because of market conditions. People are staying at home watching Netflix and streaming. However, AMC's top competitor, Regal Cinemas, has shut down all of their theaters indefinitely with no plans to reopen. That gives AMC exponentially more market share right off the bat. Also, Expedia came out and said that travel numbers that are expected to be much higher than initially thought. People are traveling, people are willing to go out and about and get back to their normal life. There is going to be a demand for the movie theaters, and AMC is the last man standing. I think AMC stock is in pretty good shape from a longer term outlook. So we have a swing trade, and we also have a decent longer term investment. Sure, they're bleeding money, but if they can survive the next couple of years, close down the failing theaters, open up, keep open the theaters that are doing well, this company will be just fine. Let's go over the swing trade plan for AMC stock, the meme stock of all meme stocks, AMC. Let's break down the trade. We have support here at the $7 area. I would love to buy a dip into that $7 and look for the short squeeze, because if it does not fail that $7 area, short sellers are going to start to panic and cover their position. So we have support at $7. We'll look for a pullback into that area. Then we'll look to get long, looking for that short squeeze. I would set an initial price target up near $13.50 per share. A huge move potentially here in AMC stock. The charts that I'm using in today's video are WeBull. WeBull has an awesome platform. They've partnered up with Touchdown Trades. If you sign up with the link in the description, WeBull is going to give you 2 free stocks valued up to $1,850. You're also going to get access to this desktop platform absolutely free. And you can even now trade Dogecoin, Bitcoin, Ethereum, crypto on WeBull. So I got the Dogecoin chart pulled up here. It's a very intuitive platform. Get your 2 free stocks valued up to $1,850. Link in the description. The second meme stock that I want to talk about is Sundial Growers, ticker SNDL. This is the penny stock, meme stock of the MJ sector. You guys know that I love the MJ sector. I think once all the infrastructure stuff gets through Congress and Senate, that we're going to see MJ, legalizing MJ and using it for tax revenue, come into center stage and be in the spotlight. And when that does happen, these MJ stocks are going to be off to the races. Back on the chart, we can see that this thing was ran up from 13 cents all the way up to $4. That may have been a little bit excessive, but we have pulled back significantly over the last few weeks. So we're trading less than $1 right now, 78 cents per share. We have support in that area. So there is a nice potential short squeeze setting up if the Redditors do start to hop back on this stock. From a long-term standpoint, I think Sundial's outlook is improving. The Canadian MJ company just acquired Inner Spirit in cash and stock, valued up to $131 million. Inner Spirit is a retailer and a franchisor of Spirit Leaf recreational MJ stores across Canada. So basically, Sundial is getting into the venture capital of the MJ space. This is a big deal because Sundial had been criticized in the past on their cultivation side of the business. So now they're branching out, spreading their wings, and getting into the venture capital side of things. We know that this is a growing market, and as the market grows, there's going to be need for these up and coming businesses to get capital. Sundial can capitalize on this, no pun intended. Going to go over the plan real quick here with my Sundial plan for a swing trade. I would love to buy in front of this support down here at 70 cents. So 70 cents is not that far away if we can get this chart set up right. 70 cents support, you buy, you look for it to hold that level and round back out, giving us an initial price target right in front of this resistance. So we would set our first price target at $1.70. That's more than a 100% move. That move does not look that big, but that is a 100% move. So this SNDL definitely does have potential from both a swing trade and a long-term investment. Now, I think there are better options in the MJ space from a long-term investment perspective. But just speaking about Sundial, once they start talking about federal legalization, Sundial will get a pop, and it will be trading higher than 78 cents like it is today. There is a lot of potential here. I think there's a move coming. The final meme stock I want to talk about that I think is setting up for a move higher is ticker symbol MVIS, Microvision, and an autonomous driving robo-taxi play. You guys know I am a big backer of autonomous driving and robo-taxis. I think it's an untapped, under-the-radar market. Sure, people know about it. People want to be invested in it, but I think it's going to be so much bigger than anticipated. So MVIS is a play on autonomous driving. The Reddit crowd ran this up, short squeezed it from $2 to $28. I'm telling you, these short sellers, they haven't learned their lesson yet. You don't step in front of innovation. You don't step in front of these growth companies when they're trending higher, or else you will get squeezed. That's what happened here over the last couple of weeks. We're pulling back into a bull flag. We have this bull flag formation forming on the chart, and if we break out of that, I think we're headed higher. So from a swing trade, Let's talk about the swing trade plan first, and then we'll talk about MVIS from a long-term outlook. So support, tons of support down at 10 bucks. That's our risk. We look to buy as close as possible to that $10 area, and then we look for the bounce back up towards $20 a share. Long term for MVIS, I think the robo-taxi space is going to be huge. Any company in autonomy, I think you want to have a lot of exposure in this sector. I think MVIS has the potential to be a 20x stock, a home run or strikeout, but I think the risk to reward is there. I like what they've done so far with the company, so I do think there is potential long term here with this MVIS. That is going to wrap up the video. The top meme stocks, the top Reddit stocks to buy right now. If you got something of value from this video, do me a huge favor, destroy that like button. Consider hitting that subscribe button. Turn on the notifications. If you don't turn on the notifications, you'll never see one of my videos ever again. Somehow it works out like that. Also, check out touchdowntrades.com. We're currently running a promo. I'll leave the coupon for that in the description as well. Catch you guys in the next one. Until next time, peace.